I only used Google Tools to generate. This AI is replacing 3D animators, and most creators don't even realize it yet. You don't need years of experience. You don't need expensive software. Here's the exact system behind those viral mechanical animations blowing up TikTok right now. Step 1. We need transformation logic. I use Gemini designed for mechanical toys. The secret is to ask for a closed state and an open state. For this example, we're doing a mechanical egg that unfolds into a cybernetic dragon. I use a master prompt for this to give the theme properly, and then Gemini provides the exact prompts for both frames, so the AI knows exactly how to bridge the gap. Next, head over to Google Gemini. To get that high-end cinematic look, you must use the Nano Banana 2 model. Set your color profile to Vivid and keep the aspect ratio at 9:16. We'll generate our start and end frames here. Notice the detail on the metal. This is what makes the video feel real to the audience. Select the soft portrait in Google Gemini and use the prompt you generated earlier. Gemini will take some time and give you the exact image you described. Repeat the same process for the second image. Now, the magic happens in Flow AI. Using the Flow AI engine, upload your 2 images. But here's a pro tip. In the motion prompt, specify hydraulic unfolding or magnetic assembly. This tells the AI to move the parts logically instead of just blurring them together. Hit generate, and in under a minute, you have a 4K mechanical masterpiece. To actually monetize this on the TikTok Creator Rewards program, you need videos longer than 60 seconds. Stitch 5 of these together. Add heavy mechanical ASMR sounds for every gear shift. This satisfying audio is what keeps the US audience watching until the very end. This niche is moving fast, so get started before it's crowded. I've linked the tools in the description. If you want my personal prompt cheat sheet, just comment "Toolbox" below, and I'll send it your way. Don't forget to help us hit 100 likes and subscribe to It's IMAX for more AI blueprints. See you in the next one.